Still working on spreadsheets? Ganyan talaga kapag school forms ang kaharap mo. For today, we are going to focus on our SF10. I-apply natin ang ating 2025 revision sa ating previous format ng SF10. So we have this revised template and we are going to open a student file. This is in previous format at ito ang ating aayusin today. Backgrounder lang po. Nakapag-input na sana ng grade si Sir Joel and the revision was announced later, so he has to do it all over again. The problem is, hindi magkasukat ang ating mga cells. Kailangan nating gawa ng paraan para hindi manumano ang paglalagay natin ng entry by row. So today, we will focus on the power of merging and unmerging cells. We will start the unmerging of cells in the student's file. Highlight the cells to unmerge. Delete the old subjects. And clear the merge and center button. Kung ano ang aking ginawa sa grade 3, ay ganun din ang aking gagawin sa grade 4, 5, and 6. In short, I do the unmerging first. After that, we will open the revised template. Naka-unmerge din po ang mga cells dito sa ating revised template. We will highlight and copy just one column, open the student file, and paste on the column. Again, from the revision template, we will highlight the column to copy, open the student file, and paste on the right column. Paste lang ng paste sa back portion ng ating SF10. Now, let's use the power of merging. Highlight the cells to merge. Click the Merge and Center button. Both the front and back page should have the footnote. Again, highlight the cells to merge and click the Merge and Center button. Open the new template again. Click the footnote you want to copy. Highlight on the formula box. Copy and open the student file again. Click the cell for the footnote. Click on the formula box and then paste. Take note that the footnote should be the same in both pages. I-recheck mo muna bago i-save and close. Para mas mabilis ang ating pag-copy and paste, pwede natin gamitin ang ating mga shortcut keys.
What your class should